Hello students, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about one topic of function, that is function overloading, method overloading. Okay. So without wasting your and my time, let's start with this topic. So here's the topic. Okay, the topic is function overloading. I've written a definition, you can see in front of you on the screen. You can see function overloading, defining more than one function of same name with different parameters list is called function overloading. Means in a class, you can define more than one function of same name. Okay, but their parameters list must be different. Okay, so let's explain this with one example. Here I'm going to explain with example. See, listen now. See, I have defined a class. The class name is sum. And this class has, you can see it in this class has three functions: add, and add. Name of all these three functions are same. You can see the name is what? All three functions same, but that add. But you can see their parameters lists. This function is requiring two integer type of parameters. This function is requiring three integer type of parameters. This function requiring two double type of parameters. You can see the names are same. The name of all three function is same, add. But they have different parameters list. So this is called function overloading. I hope it is clear to everyone. What is function overloading? Defining more than one function of same name with different parameter list is called function overloading. Now I'm going to explain this function. Complete program I'm going to explain. See, as you know, execution of the program starts from main function. So let's start from main function. Here I've defined the main function. In main function, I've created the object of sum class. The name of the class is sum. The class name is what? Sum. Okay. So I'm going to explain this program, complete program. See, the class name is what? Sum. So in main function, here I've defined the main function also. As you know, the presence of main function is compulsory. So I'm starting from the main function. Here I've created the object of sum class. Okay. The name of the class is sum. So I'm creating the object of this class. And by this object, I'm calling the function add. And while I'm calling, I'm passing 1, 2, 3, means I'm passing three integers. So if I'm passing three integers, which function will be called? The function which requires three operands. Only that function will be called. Three integers. The function which is requiring three integers, that function will be called. So here you can see again, I'm repeating. In this line, we are calling the function add and passing three integers. And we are passing 1, 2, 3. So this function will be called. Out of these three add function, this function will be called. That 1 will come to A, 2 will come to B, and 3 will come to C. A plus B plus C will be what? 6. And that will be returned by this function. As you know, when a function returns a value, control goes back to there from where it is called. Okay. So what are we getting back? We are getting back 6 that will be stored into X. So the value of X will be what? 6. Now, we are calling the function add, and this time we are passing 2.5 and 4.5. So 2.5 and 4.5 are of double type of value. So which function will be called? This function. This add function will be called without confusion. So 2.5 will go to this A, 4.5 will go to this B. Now A plus B means 2.5 plus 4.5 will be what? 7.0, and that will be returned. So control will come back to there from where it is called. And the return value will be stored into Y, that is what? 7.0. Okay. Then third time we are calling the function add, and this time we are passing 5 and 3. This time we are passing two integers. So if you are passing two integers, the function which is requiring two integers, that will be called. So that 5 will come to A, that 3 will come to B, and 5 plus 3, 8, that will be returned by this function. So control will go back to there from where it is called. So J will be what now? Z will be what? 8. So we have called one by one, and sum 1 equal to X, that is 6, sum 2 equal to Y, that is 7.0, and sum 3 equal to Z, sum 3 equal to Z, that is 8. So you'll get the message sum 1 equal to 6, sum 2 equal to 7.0, sum 3 equal to 8. Just example I have given here. So what is the function of a loading? Please remember that you can define more than one function of same name with different parameters list. Same name, you have defined 3 functions of same name: add, and add. Their names are same, but their parameters list are different. So because of different parameters list, here you can see without confusion, the functions will be called. See that even the names are same, their parameters list are different. So that functions will be called without confusion. If you are passing 3 integers, we have defined only one function which requires 3 integers. If you are passing 2 double type of value, so there is only one function which is requiring 2 double type of value. And if you are passing 2 integer value, means there we have defined only one function add, which is requiring 2 integer value. So finally, the concept is what? You can define more than one function of same name with different parameters list. It's called function overloading. Okay, I hope the things are clear. If any confusion, you can ask through the comment section. So for this video, this much only. Watch this video, and in the next video, I will come with the program of function overloading, which you'll get in the class 10th board examination. Okay, so till that, watch this video. Thank you. Bye.